What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Now that you've installed the Ultimate Groupie, I'm going to give you a quick training video on how to actually use the software. So you want to find someone that's doing a Facebook live stream, or when a buddy or an associate does a live stream, that's when you would typically use the Chrome extension. We'll go ahead and let the video load. Once it's done loading, we'll go ahead and we'll use the Ultimate Groupie to go ahead and automate the interactions done on the video. Now that the video is loading, we'll go ahead and click on our tool. What it'll ask is how many total reactions you want to go ahead and give them. We'll go ahead and say 50, 26% thumbs up, 25% hearts, 47% care or hug emojis, right? You click submit. You click back to the software, back to the Facebook, and you'll see your interactions completely automated. Once again, typically you would do this whenever you have either a associate, an affiliate, a client that you want to get on the line, you want to get their attention. I would automate the interaction to let them know that I'm there and present.
Alright, here you go.
As you can see, everything is popping up here with all the automated reactions, and it's changing up here as well.
Was a fashion fix set that went with this. And it went with this. With this gorgeous necklace. Look at it.
Gorgeous, ladies and gentlemen, gorgeous.
Am I getting mean faces again? Oh no. Number 395. 395. Is there anything anybody wants to see before I let you guys?
Now it looks like it's over.
I had you a phone line. You guys want to see some?
Congratulations, the below task has been performed successfully. Go back, and it has been completed, ladies and gentlemen. That's exactly how it works. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.